Hey, I'm Fish. Let's get talking. Let's get talking. Running the show. On with the show. I think that's what I like best. I made it through. Yeah, the days are shorter, the morning gets lighter later. What more can we do but have the best fun we can before winter hits in? Not at all. You just see a bathing suit that's light color, and they're taking a photo shoot. I don't think I have that oomph anymore with cameras. My DJI, all of a sudden, the mic gives a buzz, and I don't need the video to audio sync anymore. The vibrate now works. How did a bug and issue just get fixed like that? And I got an update to do, and it's just bug and issue. Yeah, so far I haven't seen anything, and I'm not worried about it. There are other things that are more important at the moment. Already got one, already got two. I don't need to have 3, 4, or 5. Well, that's my talk for today. It's time for me to get on the road and get on happening. I gotta get off this path before I get ran over. Well, I am Fish, and that's today's talk. And I'll catch you on the next one.